I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting assets and a clear wear plan. Open the AK texture at its native UV resolution, ideally 4096. Once done, set up your tools, an image editor, and a 3D viewer, and make a backup of originals. You then pick which wear types matter: edge chipping, surface scratches, or grime in crevices. Make sure to label layers for each wear type so you can toggle and iterate quickly. This saves time and prevents destructive edits as you begin applying the first masks. You now build the core wear maps. Paint masks that define where and how much wear appears, combining hand-painted strokes with procedural noise for realism. Once done, generate curvature and ambient occlusion passes from the model or use a plugin. These act as smart masks to accentuate edges and recesses. Make sure to blend layers with multiply and overlay where appropriate, and simultaneously tweak roughness and specular maps so exposed metal reads correctly, lower roughness for polished scratches, higher roughness for corrosion. You finish by exporting each map in the correct color space and bit depth. Keep normals at 16-bit and albedo in sRGB. Then import into your viewer or game engine and apply them to the AK material, checking the result under varied lighting and from different distances to confirm readability. If something looks off, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck mask linearity and color space. Incorrect gamma often causes washed or exaggerated wear, so convert and re-export before further edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.